So this is the data I'm going to use for color scales. As you can see, it has a stats of monthly signups, and so we have the months here, and then the sources from where the signups occurred, and then we have the total signup here. Now I'm going to apply color scales to see the changes or the pattern of change in the total monthly signups. So I'm just going to select this range here. I'll go to format, conditional formatting, and then color scale. So on hovering over color scale, you can see that it opens up a palette with various color scales given. So in Zoho Sheet, we have two types of color scales. There is a 2-color scale and a 3-color scale. A 2-color scale can be used when you have a minimum point and a maximum point, while a 3-color scale can be used when you have a minimum point, a midpoint value, and a maximum point value. So now in this data, I have only a minimum value and a maximum value and not a midpoint. So I'm going with a 2-color scale now. So I'm just going to choose a 2-color scale, that is from yellow to green. So the minimum point or the minimum value will have the yellow background, and the maximum point or the maximum value will have the green background. So I'll select that, and as you can see, the cell with the minimum value has the yellow background set, and the cell with the maximum value has the green background set, while the other cells have the shades. So this makes it easier for me to know which month performed well and which did not. Now let's just open up the color scale dialog and see how the rules have been set. So this is the color scale dialog. As you can see, the minimum and maximum values have been set to automatic because I chose from the menu directly. If you want, you can even customize these minimum and maximum points, and they can also be in terms of number, percentage, formula, or even a percentile value. So Zoho Sheet also gives you the option to choose the color for your color scale, so you can even customize those colors in the scale. And additionally, you can find two other options here at the bottom. So one is to hide the cell content. So once this option is checked, the cell values in this range will be hidden and only the cell background color will be displayed. And there's another option here called automatic text color. So once I click on that, the cell font color will change based on the cell's background color. So to demonstrate that, I'll just make a small change in the cell background. So let's say we'll set it from white to say black. So now you can see that the font colors in this cell range are all black. So now that I've set the background color from white to black, let's see how this font color changes based on the automatic text color option. So I'll click on apply now. And as you can see, those cells with the dark background color have a lighter font color. That is, the cell with a black background has a white font color, and so on. So this option increases the readability of cell values when these background colors are applied. So that's all about color scales in Zoho Sheet.